Hey everyone, if you are using Elementor Pro, then Popup Builder is one of the most powerful feature you can use. By the end of this video, you will know how to create and trigger pop-up. Now with pop-up, you can show content like email subscription form, WooCommerce sale offer, you can show welcome message, notification bar, you can show age verification and cookie consent data. And you can also design content pop-up like which are exit intent. So such a pop-up shown when user leaves the website. Now let's see how to create one. Now to understand this builder, we are creating this small exercise. Here I have a page and on this page I have a button book call. Now I want when user clicks on it, it opens a pop-up here and it collects user's phone number. So basically I am showing form as a content in my pop-up. Now to build this, first go to the dashboard, Elementor, and here below Elementor you will find templates. Here you go to pop-ups. Now for pop-ups you can import templates and you can also create a new one. So I'm adding a new one. Now as template is created, we have option to use a structure from library and you can also create it from a scratch. So I'm just using from library for now. Now here it shows the demo that how it will look. You can change template design as per your website needs, or if you are creating from a scratch, you can apply styling, width, etc. as per your website. So once you are happy, you can publish it. Here you can, in this template, you can control everything. It's like every other design, you can control width, height, interest, animation, everything. Now, once you are happy, go and publish. Now, as you publish, here it will ask for a pop-up publish setting. First, is a condition. Here you will set that where you want to display. So, I'm adding condition for now. I want to show it for a entire website. Next, here it is asking for triggers. So, when this magic happen, now here we have this many option that you can show this pop-up on page load, on scroll to any element, on click, after inactivity, on page exit intent, and ad block detection. Now I'm selecting here on click because on a click of button I want to show this pop-up. So I am selecting this activity. If you want to pop up like when user leaves the website, then you can select this. So according to your need, you need to select that. So I am choosing here on click. Now next is the advanced rules. So here you can apply further rules for the pop-up. So as per your need, you can select that. You can also select date and time for particular sell offers and all that. So you can go through one by one and see how it works. For now, I am fine with this. I am going to save and close. Now pop-up data is ready. Now let's trigger it. So to call the pop-up, I'm selecting this button and here I am going to the dynamic tags and here I am selecting action pop-up. Now once I selected, I'm going in the setting of the action and here I'm selecting open pop-up. Which one? So here we have schedule form. Okay, so we have selected our template. Let's publish it and let's see the preview. So that's it. This is how you apply pop-up to any website. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.